While rapid UAS advancement offers transformative benefits, it also presents new risks. We must now prioritize robust solutions to mitigate unauthorized or malicious drone threats. Although modern compact radars can detect small, low-speed targets at a reasonable distance, engaging them with traditional kinetic weapons still results in a disproportionately high cost per kill. Interceptor drones aren't a silver bullet, but they are set to play a massive role in the future of layered air defense. Modern interceptors are inexpensive, enabled by 3D printing and commercial electronics, while remaining fast, maneuverable, portable, quick to deploy, and effective against a wide range of drone types without requiring highly trained crews. Powered by AI-driven automatic target recognition and tracking, these drones can execute one-way missions or autonomously return to their launch point if the mission is aborted or the airframe survives.